You know what time it is? It's Cavit Pinot Grigio. Let's crack this one open. Also, I do have the Boker wine opener, Damascus. It's a beautiful Damascus bottle opener. And I will be reviewing this one soon. Also, the blade on this one is Damascus as well. Let that focus. Check that one out. Honey, you ready for some of this?
Hell yeah.
You having fun out?
I sure am.
Had a good hike today. I hiked quite a few miles today. Checked out some of the lake here at Bullard's Bar. It's a beautiful lake, really clear. The water's really clear. Yeah, I kicked back in the hammock. I just got up. I took a little nap. That was really refreshing. But we're gonna be cracking this one open, and then we're gonna be starting dinner, guys. We're gonna be having a ribeye, garlic bread, and my wife can help me out with the rest. Is that it, babe?
Corn on the cob and sauteed mushrooms.
Yeah, so if you guys heard that, we got corn on the cob coming up with a side and sauteed mushrooms. It should go together good. Oh yeah, and my wife's making a really good dessert. What are you making?
White chocolate macadamia nut cookies.
So we got an oven, we got the Camp Chef oven, and yeah, we're gonna be having the cookies, the white macadamia nut cookies.
So the ribeye's been marinating all day with red hog rub,
Yeah?
smoke and seeds barbecue sauce, wine, and garlic.
Awesome. Listen for the pop, guys. You ready? Here we go. Nice.
It's Pinot Grigio time.
Bring your glass on over, baby girl. Ribeye number one going on right now. Listen to the sizzle. Oh yeah. It's talking to you guys over there. Let's check this one right now. See how it looks. Sticking a little. There we go. Oh, nice. Looking good. You got plenty of butter, babe?
Yep.
For the delicious looking corn straight out of the garden. Survival Mindsets garden. There you go. Get it while it's hot. My wife has put on the onions and the mushrooms.
Smells good.
It does smell good, doesn't it? Smell awesome. And what do you got over here,
Garlic.
honey? Got a little bit of garlic going on. Yes, kick it up a notch.
Pepper.
Pepper. We're at the camp right now. We're just enjoying the camp. Here's our tent. So we're cooking pretty close to the tent. Only got one burn hole on this side last week. Just kidding. We do have quite a few things cooking right now, so I pulled this steak off to the side. And I do want to coat it with some barbecue sauce right now. The choice in barbecue sauce is going to be the Smoky Seas barbecue sauce. It always does a really good job, so I'll add a little bit of that on. We got no basting brush at the camp today. You can use any kind of stick you want or your hand. Just slather it on there just like so and let that sizzle.
Trying to get up my sleeve.
God, we're being attacked by some yellowjackets here at the
Yeah,
camp,
we are.
aren't we? They're all over the place. Well, hey guys, sorry about that, but we are being attacked by yellowjackets big time right now. We're gonna do this kind of fast. We got the Sierra Nevada Pale Ale right here. Hey, I sent Nathan some of these, Nathan4071. Check out his channel, I'll drop it down below for you. Let's crack this one open. My wife's having
Pinot Grigio.
yeah, my wife's having a wine, a really nice wine. Cheers to all you YouTubers. Cheers, honey.
Cheers.
God, these bees are just out of control. How's the food?
Good.
Don't eat a bee, whatever you do. So let me show you what we got. We do have a steak right there, and we do have the mushrooms, the garlic bread, and the corn. So yeah, and oh yeah, check out our fire, guys. We got a fire started early, hoping it'll draw some of these bees out of here. It's kind of working. We got a citronella candle right here. We got some sprays out on the table, underneath the table. We're fighting them off hardcore right now.
Yep.
Okay, let's dig into the steak. Babe, one thing we forgot to bring is our mosquito nets.
Yeah, there you go.
We could have ate underneath them. Really good steak. You marinated that, huh?
All day.
All day long? With champagne or wine?
Wine. I rubbed it with red-eye hog.
Red-eyed hog?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Garlic, salt and pepper.
Yep.
And then marinated it with wine and smoke and seasoned barbecue sauce.
So yeah, the steak's really good. The bees are really driving our video short right here. So we're gonna end this one right now, guys, before someone gets stung. Not you guys, us. So I do want to thank you for tuning into the channel. You're watching Survival Mindset. Hit the like, share, favorite the video, and don't forget to ring that bell. That bell will give you notifications of all our newest upcoming releases on all our videos weekly. Peace.